He's literally about to finish. I've probably eaten 10% of what he's eaten, and my eyes are watering. I'm crying in pain. I can honestly say this challenge was harder than counting to 100,000.
I just want to go home.
I'm gonna go poop. He's not gonna come back.
Chris, what's going through your stomach right now?
Pizza.
It's going down a little slower than I thought it would. But I'm not literally as bad as them. Dude.
We're trying.
I'm in pain.
This is Tyler's friend Jackson. I'm tapping you in. Go. Jackson is bringing the velocity we needed.
That was literally completely in Tyler's mouth.
He was doing so well, Carl. His stomach has to be full soon. Let's all kick it into hyperdrive.
Now I know this looks bad. All of us getting out-eaten by Joey Chestnut. And honestly, I don't know how to explain this. I guess there's a reason this guy literally holds 50 world records for eating food.